Hello, my name is Mark Swinburne. I'm a designer welder from the West Midlands. Over the past few years I've been fishing a pit which gets choked up with weed and is barely fishable throughout the summer. We've designed some tools to drag the swims out to make it fishable. What I'm going to show you today is what we call the stealth rake. We're going to give you a quick demonstration now on how they work, remembering this is still winter, there's hardly any weed about on the bottom, but what's about, this will fetch off. We've been working on this design for a few years now, and what it does, it gathers up the weeds as he's pulling along and pulls them out in big clumps. You have masses of them in one drag. You've got 18 inches across there, so you can clear 18 inches every time. And the design is so not to get caught up on the bottom. Everything's straight, aerodynamic, pulls along. As you can see, everything's fully welded. It's made out of oval tube, 30 by 15 thickness, 1.5 mil thick for strength. The dragging part is a 6 mil bar bent in that shape to give us the strength. And what this does, it allows to pull up if it gets caught on the bottom, to pull up. If you've got a shackle on here, that will just move about and keep that stuck. This is the best idea that we've found. We've tried all manner of dimensions, weights and everything. This is the best we've come up with. It weighs 1 kilo, so you can throw it a good deal farther than someone that weighs 1.5 kilos. You can throw it all day. There's holes here to lose the water out so you don't get soaked when you pick it back up. Each one of them is set at 25 mil, so that's just enough to pull the weed off the bottom without getting stuck deep into mud, which some things that we've seen get stuck and then they're lost. You're paying a lot of money to throw it in and lose it straight away. We're under no illusion that you can knock a rake up, buy a couple of rakes, tie them together and throw them out. That's an expensive way of doing it and you lose them, and they're not efficient anyway. So this is the best method we have come up with in years of doing this sort of stuff. This is another one of our drags, which is an old type of drag, but with this one you can pull all manner of stuff out. Bits of cars, motorbike, a car, tyres, logs, whatever you name, you can pull it out with this. This is a solid bit of kit. As you can see, most times you get the 2 hooks on it, so you'll tow a car out with that, no problem, no problem. As you say, everything's solid, brilliant. Top of the range piece of kit there. This is another one what we do. This is for cutting reed back. As you can see, there's a blade in there, exactly the same as the stealth drag, but this is a cutter. 2 blades, cuts through the weed at the bottom, so it leaves the swim clear for you to land a fish if you're lucky enough. So that's the design for that. We've cleared lots of pools with this. In the summer, it will clear a nice swim out where you've got loads of reeds where nobody else has been able to fish. You can move in with one of these and you've got yourself a swim. And also, if you're a fishery owner, you can use one of these. You can keep the swims clear, get more people in fishing your fishery without moaning at you about the reeds. I'm ideal for all that sort of stuff. And the beauty of it is it cuts in a straight line. Once you start pulling, cuts in a straight line, so there you got a nice clear path all the way through.